lower, guys. Okay. All right. So what's next on the market right now? Okay. So if we open on the daily time frame, we open the smaller time frame. I think it has been very clear that it has been showing you that signs that the market is slowly going down, guys. Okay. And with that case said, we are likely to see gold prices to be broken down of 2,520 on the long run, 2,400. I would say we are possibly seeing the scenario, seeing gold could be broken down towards 2,480, 2,520. I think with the strength coming out from the gold side, coming out from the US dollar side, it is likely we are seeing the possibility that the market could be heading lower for the gold, especially after yesterday inflation data has been very clear, showing that there are no possibility that gold could sustain its uptrend momentum. Market has been slowing down. We are likely to see it is highly likely to go lower in the future for now, especially the strength that we are coming from the US dollar market. So we are likely to see more downtrend momentum coming down lower. Okay, that's my view on the market right now. And even though last night we do make a buy trade and a sell trade, even though we don't get that big movement, because after my live streaming sessions there is the CPI data, so I couldn't react on it, but I believe that Jaden has been able to guide you and get some of the trading on that side. So I believe that last night was also a well night for us to trade. I believe that you guys should have been able to profit out of trades. Maximum from our side, 1,100 pips just on my side, guys. So imagine if you are trading with Jaden, I believe that you guys should be able to profit more than 1,100 pips on the second sessions of our live streaming site. Okay, so thank you very much, Clapon, for your likes and support. I hope that tonight we could be able to make some money. I know that maybe tonight we don't have any big market movement. It's just coming up from the PPI data, and it will be in another 2 hours and 21 minutes. And I believe that won't be my part of my sessions, of the live streaming sessions, but no worry. I believe that Jaden will be able to guide you guys, and you guys should be able to make some profit out of the trades on the PPI data, which I think is also very important, where PPI data is actually showing you guys from the producer's side of the inflation. And I believe that could really help you guys to see where the market is going as well. Okay, so just for the sake of convenience, I'll be erasing last night's signals so you guys don't get any confusion. But definitely what I'm seeing on the market right now is very clear. We are seeing major downtrend momentum. I will not say major downtrend momentum, but downtrend momentum is very strong. Selling pressure is very high, and it's likely we could be hitting a low area around here, support, get some rebounds near 2,600 before slowly going back lower. Because right now I'm seeing the possibility of this double top faces coming up from the gold side, and critical support has been broken since yesterday night. So 2,600 has been broken, and we are likely to see market to go down lower and lower, guys. Okay, so initially we are seeing uptrend has been very smooth until 2,733 has been broken down of its original uptrend momentum, where I'm looking through that momentum as the continuations of uptrend. Afterwards, it has seen that market has been giving us that phases where I'm seeing topping phases appearing on this side of the charts, and we are likely to see gold has been going down, 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 and we are likely to make a lot of trades during this market of the part. We actually last week made around 7,000 bips in just 3 days, and we are likely to see more market volatility, but it's usually happening after my live streaming sessions. So I couldn't capture that with you guys, so make sure that you guys do follow us after my live streaming sessions, because we have 2 sessions, one with me and one with Jaden. I'm Steven, and the other trader is Jaden. Okay, so with that, on the bigger time frame, I think it's very clear market is going down on the gold on the long run. So if you guys are trading short term, maybe you guys could find some big volatility on the 1 hour time frame. So I usually, just for the sake of the live streaming sessions, I'll be opening on the small time frame so you guys could see much clearly. But usually I'll be focusing on just on the 1 day time frame. Okay, so with that, yesterday downtrend momentum has still been continuing but I'm worried that it could be slowing down, giving us a little of rebound, and then we are likely to see market could be going down afterwards. But from the current market movement that I'm looking at is I'm seeing this possibility jumping down before dropping lower, guys. Okay, so I'm seeing that possibility, and maybe we can do a short-term trade on this side. It could take some time before we eventually see the market go down. It could take some time, so that's why I'm much more likely to wait and see, especially, guys, because sometimes if you're getting that false breakout, you can be easily swept out of the trades, and I don't want that to happen with us on our trades, guys. Okay, so that's why I will be much more happy to wait and see for tonight on the gold market, and don't repeat the mistakes that we have done on Monday, because on Monday we hit some 2 stop losses, but we eventually made back the trades on the sell signal because we are seeing that big drop down on the market. So for sure we are much more wait and see, because the market movement hasn't been telling us any very clear signs, especially we are likely to see market should be heading lower. So I'm happy to wait, and especially we are likely to see market momentum coming out after the PPI, producer price index data, to give us some volatility that we needed on the market. So I'm seeing this possibility. Maybe you can try to start shorting it at around 2560, 2555, and then we can get that certainty or even get that clarity coming up from the market, because right now I'm seeing downtrend momentum has been there, and we are likely to see it continuing on the market. Alright, so that's the overall review for the gold market, because we have seen that for multiple days, and I'm looking at the possibility of that happening. So if you guys wanted to get faster and much accurate signal, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, because on that link on the profile you can check out the link where we are sharing our channel Telegram, and you guys could get more free trading signals outside of our live streaming sessions. So you guys can make sure check out on that if you guys wanted to get more signals earlier, guys. Okay, for now I'll be much more happy to wait and see, because I'm not seeing any clear signs of the market right now, and I'm happy to wait for the market to move, guys. Okay, because I'm seeing a small rebound, fake breakout, and then going lower afterwards. Alright, so let us see on the other side of the part, where we are actually looking at the possibility of the strength coming out from the US dollar index, yes, because US dollar index has been quite strong and actually has been reaching the higher part of the uptrend momentum that I've been drawing, and we are very close to see a possible drawdown, because US dollar has been going so strong, and I'm afraid that rapid market movement hasn't been that well received, because usually something has been going up too fast, and it's usually not a good sign coming out of the market. That's what I've known trading across years. Market has usually gone up too fast. It usually will be giving you guys some slowdown, and I'm likely to see it is happening in the next few days, guys. Okay, so maybe we can be much patient, and we are likely to see that happening on our side, guys. Okay, so overall this is a daily time frame chart showing the possibility how the US dollar index has been able to go higher and higher, and building up on this possible bull flag scenario, reaching at the highest price at 107.78, and right now we are very close towards it, just shy by around 800 points. So we are likely to see that happening, guys, but I would love to wait and get the confirmations, because it's very clear US dollar index has started to have limitations in terms of its market movement. So I will be much more likely to wait and see if you guys want to trade on the currency side, especially because there's been a lot of momentum over the last few days, and sometimes momentum could fade away for a while before continuing its original trend momentum, and right now I'm seeing that happening. So I'll be much more cautious if you guys are trading on the currency side. I'm seeing a possibility it could give you guys some rebound right now on your charts, or whether what currency pairs you are trading. I believe that will be the case, guys. Okay, alright, so with that we are likely to see some rebound from gold, because we have started to see some weaknesses coming up from this US dollar side, maybe we can try to trade on it right now. On the gold chart, maybe for short-term momentum coming up from the gold side, guys. Okay. Alright, maybe let us check on the other side of the chart. Maybe we could be trading on silver for now. Alright, silver does offer a much better entry point, I believe, guys, so maybe you can try to take a focus on that. And we actually yesterday made a profit out of this signal. Right now, maybe let us try to aim for the lower part of the chart, see what has been happening on that side. Maybe let us make the trade for tonight. On the silver side first, guys. Okay, silver chart, I'm getting much confidence that it could be giving you guys some short-term market momentum. I would say short-term because I'm likely to see this just for a short-term period. Entry prices, if you guys could enter at lower prices, definitely that would be the much better case. And I'll be putting a very tight stop losses as well, $29.65. On this upper side, which I don't think it could be easily hit, so I'll be giving you guys a shorter target price. Okay, so this is for a short-term trade because I'm seeing this possibility happening, just a short rebound and then going low afterwards. Okay, especially at the end of the week, we will be having Fed chair speaking as well, so expected there could be some volatility coming out, and we can do this short-term trading on the silver chart because I'm seeing much more support forming on this side of the charts, on the silver side rather than the gold chart. So I'm giving you guys the first signal for tonight on this silver chart buy. Okay. Alright, so that will be our first signal for tonight. Maybe after looking through the other markets, we could be probably finding some good trades to make, but for now I'm not seeing that signs of a rebound happening. We are not seeing that healthy consolidations that we are looking through at silver. So that's why I'm not recommending anything on the gold side for now. Maybe after some times we could get some clarity on the market and we could start shorting the market, because my overall view of the market after broken down of the critical support area is shorting gold, shorting silver. But sometimes our timing couldn't be right every single time. So we could be slowing down on market movement, try to find some short-term market movement, especially we need to wait for a good entry point to start shorting for long-term market movement. Alright, so let us see how the market has been doing. It seems that gold market movement should be slowing down, going lower. And if I'm comparing it with silver, it hasn't been showing that same indications. seems that market has been giving you guys a very good consolidation on this side of the charts, and that's why I'm recommending buy signals. Even though it's just a short term, I'm expecting a small rebound here, $30 at the very least, and let us see how it works. That's my view on the market for now. Silver market, I'm much more optimistic to see some rebound because the downward momentum has been much faster and bigger compared to the gold. So that's why I'm much more likely to see some reactions coming up from the gold side. Okay, so I'm waiting, trying to see some much clarity coming out from the market, and then I will be much more likely to enter a buy signal, even though it's just for short term, because I'm likely to see market momentum to go higher, guys. Okay, for this short term period. All right, so for now, definitely I'm seeing the possibility of a rebound happening. It started to form it out, and maybe we can try to enter the trade near here and put our stop losses just below the low, so we are entering at very secure positions, and we could likely to make a big money trades coming out of the market. Alright, so I'll be giving you guys our second signal for tonight, and it will be coming up from the gold side. So buy gold market, and I'll be giving you guys notice. I'm doing this just for a short term because on my long term view, I've been started to become bearish on the market, and because I'm looking at some signs that the market should be heading lower on the long run. Okay, so tonight we do have some news coming out on the market, and definitely that could be impacting the market for now. Stop losses at around the low side of it, 2538. Target price, I won't be giving you guys a very high price target at around 25. So for the short term, we try to aim for the lowest price target. Second price target near 2557, 2557, highlight price 3. I'll be giving you guys a much optimistic price, so 60 to 2564. Okay, so just on notifications, it will be just for a short-term trading. And this is our second signal for tonight, guys. Okay, so if you guys like and wanted to get much more of this kind of live streaming signals together with us, and I'll be guiding you guys whatever changes coming out on the market, whatever signal that I'm giving you guys, I'll be monitoring it, and I'll be giving you guys the conclusions at the end of my live sessions. So if you guys love to receive this kind of live streaming sessions, make sure that you guys remember to check out our home profile, click on that link, so that you guys could follow us, and you will be notified whenever we are sharing these signals, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on the second time, or if you guys have already missed out on the silver signals, don't make sure that you guys don't miss out on the second time. And definitely, if you guys think, oh, I want to get more signals other than gold, other than silver, where can I get it, guys? Okay, so you could get it by checking out our home profile. Click on that link so you guys could join our channel, and you guys could get tons of free trading signals, and it's all for free, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys check out on our home profile, check out our bio, click on that link so that you guys could get more trading signals, guys. Okay, and it's all for free. Alright, so if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful, and you guys think that this kind of videos could help your friends and family on their trading, and know that maybe some of you guys do trade on Forex, trade on commodities, trade on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, definitely you guys could share this video with your friends and family so that you guys could be making money together on your trades, guys. Okay, alright, so let us see how the market works, and we are likely to see big market momentum coming up on the market in a moment, because we have already been entering the trades. We have already put a buy signal on gold and silver, guys. So just for you guys to see that we are actually looking at the possibility after this short-term downtrend momentum, we are likely to see some rebound So that's why we have started to put this buy signal for tonight, and we are trying to aim at the furthest at around 2560, not try to aim too high. And we are likely to see market momentum to go down later on, especially tonight. We'll be having a PPI data which is showing the producer side of the inflation, and we have Fed Chair speaking later on at the later part of the night. So I'm expecting there will be a huge volatility, and we are doing this short-term buying trend. Okay. And if you guys have any other questions, definitely you guys can let me know on the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any of your inquiries and any of the questions related to trading. Overall, we are started to put some short-term buy signal. Okay, so for the first signal that we have been sharing with you guys, we already shared this buy signal on the silver chart. It seems that silver market momentum started to slow down, but no worries, our plan is still intact. We have already put our necessary stop losses as well, so I won't be too worried. I'm likely to see market movement to go higher later on. So like I said guys, you guys could have been missing out on our signals, because if you guys don't join us early on our live streaming sessions, you have been missing out on our live streaming sessions. And if you guys don't want to miss out on this kind of signals, make sure that you guys do follow us, so whenever we are doing live streaming sessions, you will be notified and you can join us immediately, because we'll be sharing you guys the market analysis, market outlook at the first part of the live streaming sessions, and afterwards we will be directly heading and giving you guys signals, because we need time for our trading signals to work. So that's why we always give out signals pretty early, and if you guys don't want to miss out on it, make sure that you guys follow us. And if you think what we are sharing is not enough, you guys want to get more free trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our bio, our profile, and click on that link guys, so you guys could join our free trading signal channel, and it's all for free guys. Okay, so there's no harm. Why don't you guys join it, so you guys could get more information on that side guys. Okay, and definitely if you guys haven't opened an account yet and you guys want to trade Forex, want to trade cryptocurrencies, definitely you guys could also check our profile, click on that link and say that you guys want to open an account with us. Our broker is YCHpro guys. Okay, so definitely you guys could also check that out if you guys wanted to open a Forex account with us, and you guys could definitely get a lot of exclusive services after registering an account with us. So definitely you guys could check that out as well. Okay, so maybe what is the most interesting thing coming after market, and I believe that should be on Bitcoin market. Do you guys agree with that? And I know a lot of you guys should have been paying attention to what Bitcoin market, because Bitcoin market has been quite fantastic for us guys, and I hope that you guys have been noticing on that side, because Bitcoin market has been doing very well. And actually we have already been sharing multiple signals since Friday guys. Okay, so as you guys could see, we have already shared signals, so we are pretty much bullish on the Bitcoin market, and we have already hit our third profit target as well. So I would say we have already earned like around third floating profit. So we are still holding the trades, because I've already given you guys the option that you guys could still hold on your trades guys. Okay, so last night we are entering near 87,600, and right now 91,000, so we are still on a floating profit by around $5,000. so if you guys are buying per one Bitcoin, you guys could be getting that kind of profits. So it has been a fantastic trades for us, because we have already done a lot of trades guys. Okay, yes, I'm from Indonesia guys. I believe that you guys are also from Indonesia, but since our live streaming sessions are using English, so I need to answer you guys using English. But I'm from Indonesia guys. I know that most of you guys are from Indonesia. I could see your names guys. Okay, but definitely if you guys want to chat me using Indonesian, no problem, I will be answering you guys using English, unfortunately guys. So let us see, but we have already shared I think multiple signals, and I don't think we could be entering at current prices, because current prices has been quite high. Definitely I could say it's a bit risky, but if you guys wanted to enter the trade, you guys could still enter the trade. But let me share with you guys I would say we still find a good entry point right now guys. Yes, that's right. You could be having a hard time listening to our live streaming. Yes, but I'm from Indonesia. But maybe in the future we'll be launching these live streaming sessions using Indonesian language. So don't worry, make sure that you guys do stay tuned and follow us so that in the future we could be making live streaming sessions using Indonesians, guys. Okay. Alright, so maybe we could be entering at here right now, a pretty good sign of the market. So maybe you can try to open up small trades, but I will definitely say it's a bit risky, guys, because we have already entered the trade at 76,000, 81,000, 87,000, and right now entering at around 91,000 could be a bit risky, guys. Okay. Hi, yes, hello Jay, Sophie, yes, nice to see you. I have seen you, Sophie, again, don't worry. Okay, you're asking whether it's safe to buy a Bitcoin right now. So if you are a trader, it doesn't really matter whether it's safe or not, but definitely if you want to buy and you try to find a secure positions to trade and put your stop losses, it will be safe, guys. Okay. Will Doge will be a bull? Definitely Doge has been quite bullish, guys, and definitely you guys should have been paying attention to Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been rising up pretty much, but on here I will be just mainly focused on the big coins, on the higher capitalizations of the market. So that's why I'm just focusing on Bitcoin, but no worries, I'll be looking through the Dogecoin market in a moment. So definitely if you guys want to buy Bitcoin and you are not certain which price target that you guys should be buying, so I would give you guys a little bit of clue where you guys could enter the trade. So if you guys are patient enough and you guys can enter lower, let's say you guys could enter at around 90,000, that would be the case, guys. But if you guys are not patient enough and you guys want to enter higher, you are welcome to do so, guys. Okay, but definitely we can try to trade, put our stop losses a bit lower at around 80. For much safety reasons, I will be much happy to put at around 87,000. So make sure that you guys adjust your position sizes on your trades. Don't enter too big, don't enter too small, that it doesn't really matter for your trade, and find that optimum entry point. Don't put too much on one single trade, guys. Okay, target price, I think I'll be giving you guys, as usual, 3 price target. First price target, I'll be giving you guys a pretty easily hit price target, usually around 21,700. Target price 2. I'll be a bit bolder for the second price target, guys. Target price 3, I will be even higher price target, around 95,000. Okay, great, Husni. And I will be suggesting that you guys should be holding your trades if you guys could get it into higher prices. Okay, so this is our signals for tonight. So we have already been sharing signals whenever we are seeing prices should have been working very well, and even the floating profits on the first trade is still pretty much big, guys. So our floating profits on the first trade is still around 14,000. Second trade should be around 9,000. So it has been quite a wonderful trades on the Bitcoin. Okay, so there's been a lot of requests regarding Dogecoin, so we'll be looking at Dogecoin for now, guys. Dogecoin. Okay, so yesterday I've already been recommending that you guys, if you guys want to enter the trade, you can put the trade here, put your stop losses here, but maybe right now let us look at the bigger time frame and we'll see how the market works, guys. Okay, Dogecoin overall, it hasn't been able to break out of the all-time high. All-time high is around 0.70 cents, so it's going to take some time before reaching those prices back. And we have gone through this smooth consolidations of the Dogecoin market, and everything has been quite well on this side of the trades. And how much is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is around 39 cents for now. So definitely one of the things that you guys should have been looking at, I will be looking at the Fibonacci side, because prices has been moving quite much to determine where our next price target should be. And I'm looking at this good consolidations forming on this side, but we have already been much late and we don't really pay attention to smaller coin, but definitely you guys should have been paying attention to this as well. So for now, if you guys want to enter the trade, maybe could still do well, I would say, guys, because we are looking at this consolidations forming on this chart side. So as you guys could see, there's a possible ascending triangle I'm looking at, and since we are starting the movement near here, so I'm looking at the possibility price target at okay here. So I would say the next price target is around 55 cents, guys, according to this bull flag pattern, I would say, guys. Okay, so ascending triangle, and we could be likely to see it could be breaking up, but I'll be happy to wait, get the confirmations. If it broke higher than that, we could enter the trade, but if it doesn't broke out of it, then maybe you guys should be waiting for a much better entry point. Yes, okay, so if you guys want to trade this, make sure that you guys find a good entry point. If it's just broken out of the high at 0.409, then you can start buying at higher prices, 0.4095 to 0.409. You can put the stop losses at around these prices, at the lower side of it. So I will be getting the confirmations, and once I'm getting the confirmations, then you could be entering the trades. But right now I'm not seeing that happening, so maybe you guys should be waiting for a much better entry point, because Dogecoin hasn't been doing very well for now. I'm waiting and expected that it should be breaking out of the chart pattern, get that bull confirmations coming out from the Dogecoin. As usual, I'll be giving you guys the options to hold your trade, because on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrency, you never know what will happen. Okay, so definitely I'm waiting. If it broke higher than 0.409, then you can start to enter the trade. If it doesn't happen, don't enter the trade at all, because otherwise I'm not seeing the possibility that it could be going higher on this side of the chart. Okay, so if you guys love what we've been sharing, you could definitely follow us so that you guys don't miss out on our live streaming sessions. So make sure that you guys remember to follow us, and definitely you guys could give us your likes, your thumbs up, so that we know that you guys love our analysis or market outlook. And if you think that you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our profile, click on that link so you could join our free trading signals, guys. Okay, alright, so you could definitely share this video with your friends and family if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful for your trading side. And definitely sharing is caring, guys, so better you could share this with your friends and family so you guys could be trading together and earn money together. But for now, I think Bitcoin market movement has been pretty much stable if you guys compare it with Dogecoin, and I'll be highly to just take main focus on the bigger coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. But for the sake, because we are mainly discussing more on the cryptocurrency side, just for diversification reasons, so I'll be mainly focused on gold, silver, Bitcoin. So the the main assets, the main trading pair, guys. Okay, so there you go. I've already given you guys the analysis regarding the Dogecoin, regarding the gold market. Okay, so what do you think about the PPI news? Okay, so maybe let me go back towards our gold chart, guys. Okay, so I've already been sharing these signals. Akmal, I believe that you have been quite late for today, guys. Okay, but definitely I've been seeing the possibility after dropping down too much, I'm likely to see there will be some small rebounds. So after the PPI data will be released, people are expected that PPI data should be going higher, but on my side, I'm expected that it should be just slightly lower than the forecast, but still higher than the previous. Maybe that could give us some surprise on the market, and we have already been entering the trades, and we have already made a profit for our tonight trade, and we have already been entering the trades at around 2,546, and right now we have already hit our first price target since it's a short-term trade. And tonight I will be saying that we have already made profit around 400 pips. Okay, and definitely if you have been late, maybe you can try to wait and see after the rebound ends, we could try to short it at the higher side of this trend line, guys. Okay, but definitely if you guys have been following us, congrats. I believe that most of you guys have been in a profit if you guys have been trading on our live streaming signals. Okay, so let me check also on the silver side, because we are not just sharing on the gold side, we also share silver signals as well. So maybe let us take a look what has been happening on the silver chart as well. All right, silver chart has been doing pretty well, but has it reached our price target? Not yet, so it's gonna take some time before our signal has been hit. But for now, everything has been on track. It's going higher on the short term, expecting some rebound here, $30, and then we could try to put our short signal at around $30.10, guys. Okay, so that's my view. I'm expected that the PPI data should be not higher than the forecast, but not higher than the forecast, but also but a bit higher than the previous numbers, guys. Okay, so I'm expecting that the PPI data could be giving us a surprise after yesterday's news has been showing that the market should be expected that inflation should be quite high, and tonight I'm expected that silver, gold could be going up a little bit higher. Positive results coming up from the PPI data, because I'm seeing that producer side hasn't been doing very well, and inflation should be lower compared to the consumer side. Okay, all right, let us see. It's very near to our first profit target. We have already set the price target at $29.95, and I'm likely to see it hitting our profit target one. Alright, so maybe let us take a look what happened on the gold side. We already hit a very good profit target here, guys. Okay, well done. Alright, so our profit currently is still on floating side. We are doing very well on our trading side, so I'm not having any big concerns coming out of the trading side. Just a possibility that we could be looking at higher chances that the rebound could be even faster, and we could make our profit pretty fast on 2,564. I'm not giving you guys a very high profit target because I'm just doing this trade for the short term. I'm seeing a possibility there will be a rebound, and it has been happening on that side of the charts. So that's why I've been much more conservative and not giving you guys any huge market momentum, because I'm looking at downtrend momentum has been strong, and I'm looking at the possibility that this market could be continuing going lower, guys. Okay, so that's the reason. Alright, so everything has been on track. We are likely to hit our second profit target soon. Maybe it's a good time for us to try, pay attention and see whether we'll be hitting our profit target sooner or later, guys. Okay, but for now, I'm looking at a very good chances that we will be hitting our profit targets second on this side of the trade. And I hope that you guys who have been watching us since our live streaming session started, make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. We are looking at the possibility we could be making our second profit target from tonight. Okay guys, if you have any other questions related to trading, you could definitely ask me. Let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. Okay, so now let us just let the trade run on its own. Maybe try to look what has been happening on the Bitcoin side, because we've already been recommending on it as well. Okay, so Bitcoin prices has been behaving quite well. It has been going higher and higher, and we have already entered the trade at those lower prices, and I've already given you guys the ranges that you guys could enter the trade on the Bitcoin chart. And I believe that right now we should have been at a floating profit. So right now, good chances that we are likely to see gold prices going higher together with Bitcoin prices as well. So let us see how the market works. But definitely, I'm pretty much bullish on Bitcoin, and I think that you guys should be bullish on Bitcoin market as well, because we are likely to see Bitcoin prices hitting higher prices and higher prices as well. So I'll be also entering the trades on my side. So there you go, guys. This is our very recent signals, and you guys could still enter the trade, even though right now entry prices has been surpassing it. But you guys could still enter on it, and don't be late for the second time, guys. I highly suggest that you guys could do that. Alright. Maybe right now we could try to take our focus and try to look at the US stock market, because US stock market has been very bullish, and I believe that most of you guys don't want to miss out on those market movement, because market movement on the US stock market has been very well, and definitely you guys shouldn't be missing out on it as well. Okay, so let us take a few on it, and maybe we could be finding some good entry points on there as well, guys. Okay. Alright, so Bitcoin has been doing well. Let us see what we can do on the other side of the trades. Maybe we could be trading as well on the US market, US30. For now, let us try to take a look. Wow, it has been building up on this very healthy consolidations, and we could be entering on our second signal. I would say we have already been sharing gold signal, silver signal, Bitcoin signal, and maybe we could be also entering on this US30 signal for now. Okay. So let us start to put our buy signal on the US30 and don't miss out on it, guys. Okay. So let us buy the US stock market. Alright, there you go. I'm still very much bullish on this US stock market, and make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, guys. Okay, because we are still pretty much bullish on it. We have already made a floating profit around the trades here, hitting our profit target the highest at around $500, and right now we could be making our second trades coming out of this side of a trade. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it on the second time, because things are looking pretty well, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on the second chance, because we've already been trading on it quite several times, and hope that you guys don't miss out on the second time. Okay, so what else do we have on the market right now? Maybe you can try to check out on the US 100, try to see whether we could be making some entry points. Definitely we have already made our second profit target around 21,200, but definitely I'll be also suggesting that you guys could be have the options to hold your trades. Definitely, guys. I've also been holding on the trades on the US stock market, and I hope that you guys also do the same, because even though the volatility is quite much, you guys could still re-enter here, and our stop losses hasn't been hit yet, so we could be still holding on the trades right now and try to achieve the profit target around 22,000, 23,000 on the US stock market. Okay, so the US 100 has been doing quite well. So this is a Nasdaq, and we've already been entering the trades near here. We are finding a very good consolidations here, and right now I'm seeing the same signs coming up from the market as well, guys. Okay, so US 100 has been doing well, and I'll be recommending it as well for tonight. Okay. Let us try to aim higher because I'm looking at a very good bullish signs coming up from the market, and I'm sure that we could be achieving higher profit target as well, guys. Okay, so let us see how the market works, but I'm pretty much bullish, and definitely you guys should also be bullish on the market. Alright, so maybe right now let us take a few back on the gold chart, see what has been happening, because I've been recommending it, and our main focus usually will be on the gold, but a lot of things has been well, so that's why we are trying to look at multiple trading assets and don't miss out on the opportunity that has been offered to us, guys. Okay, so for now we are looking at the good chart signs that gold has been doing very well. We have already hit our second profit target as well for tonight, so we have already made around 900 pips, so it's a very well trade for tonight. Hit our second profit target even though it's short-term target. So congrats for everyone who has been following us, because we are sharing this quite early on our live streaming sessions. So if you guys have been following us since our early part of the trades, I believe that you guys have already made your money for tonight. Okay, but don't worry if you guys are late and you guys wanted to get this kind of live trading signals together with us. Make sure that you guys do follow us so that you guys will be notified whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, and you won't be missing out on any signals that we are sharing with you on the future. And definitely if you guys think, oh, I want to get more, I want to get just other than the live streaming sessions, what can I get? Free trading signals? Yes, definitely we also do offer that. So if you guys want to get more free trading signals outside our live streaming sessions, definitely you guys could check out our profile, our bio, click on that link that you guys see on there, so you guys could join our free trading channel, and it's all for free, no payment, no money. So you just could just click on that link and join our free trading signal channel, guys. Okay, okay, what else are coming out on the market? Maybe let us take a few what has been happening and see what the other market offers us right now. But definitely I'm seeing very good clear signs coming out of the gold market, silver market, and we have already been making money coming out of these signals. And I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, guys. Okay, definitely this could be a good time for you guys to trade and make some money on our trading signals, guys. Okay, so we already hit our first profit target here. So as usual, this is our outlook. We are seeing that the market has been doing very bad, and we have hit profit for today. I would say our profit isn't much in terms of the pips, but definitely silver market has been doing very well, and we are making around, we are entering here $29.84, and right now it has been up by around 15 pips. Okay, so it isn't much, but definitely silver market could be offering bigger profits compared to gold, even though the pips are a bit smaller compared to the gold market. So overall, we are seeing very good signs coming out of it, and we are likely to hit the market with that as well. Okay, so maybe if you're looking at the silver market, you're also looking at the gold market. One thing is in common, guys, you're actually looking at the US dollar side as well. Why I'm saying that? Because the US dollar index is quite important as well, because with there you could be seeing how the market is moving, and with the weaknesses appearing on the US dollar index, definitely what you guys could notice is gold could be rising up a bit faster, guys. Okay, so as I've said, and I think I've already given you guys some analysis on it, but maybe some of you guys has been late, just to show you guys the proof where we're actually looking at the slowdown on the US dollar, and we are seeing that gold has been quite strong. As the result, it has been hitting the upper limit of that uptrend moment, or the uptrend channel, and that's why we are looking at the strength coming out from the gold, coming out from silver, coming out from Bitcoin, because we are looking at the slowdown on the US dollar index, guys. Okay, so that has been quite good, and we are likely to get some informations coming out later on. We have the PPI data tonight, so I'm still pretty much bullish on the short term. So I'm expecting hitting the third price target shortly, and then it could be continue going down lower for gold, for silver, and for Bitcoin. I think it's a different case, because Bitcoin market has been quite different compared to gold, compared to silver, so we couldn't take the same rationale and trade on it as well. Okay, so let us take the main focus back here, gold trading, and just to show you guys my proof that on a shorter time frame you could be actually looking at what the market is offering you guys. Okay, so on the shorter time frame, it has been broken out of that short-term momentum, and we have already been entering the trade pretty early, and we have already set our stop losses. Maybe right now the best time for us to do is to set our stop losses, adjust it if you guys are still holding the trade to 2550, 2547, so you guys could be breaking even of the trades, and if anything goes wrong, you could still make money. Maybe it's just slight money, but overall I'm still seeing very good time that it could hit 2557. So we'll see how it goes, but our tonight profit is already secured at the highest price at 900 pips, guys. Okay, so congrats if you guys have been following us. Let us see how the market movement works nearing the US PPI data in another 1 hour and 25 minutes. But I believe that Jaden will be accompanying you guys to trade on that side, so don't worry. But overall, we are still seeing very good signs. Okay. Okay. So what's next on the market, guys? Because we have been looking at the market for quite some time, and nothing much has been surprising. Everything has been going through our plan, and we are likely to see higher market movement later on. But one thing is for sure, guys, gold on the short term could be going higher for a while, silver could be also going higher for a while, and one of the things that you guys should be thinking about is the longer term, because long term we are looking at very clear market movement that gold has been moving down lower and lower. So you guys could see from this 1 hour time frame, we have been looking at the possibility that after breaking down critical support area, that we have been recommending sell for most of the time, but tonight we are looking at the short-term market movement, and that's why we are recommending a sell. Overall, we have seen that gold has been breaking down its multiple critical support area from 2,700, 2,600, 2,500. So that's why we have already been certain that the market momentum for it to go higher has been over, and that's why we have already put a lot of sell signals upside, and right now we are doing this short-term trade. So far we have already been profiting around 900 pips. So if you guys wanted to get this kind of live trading signals together with us, make sure that you guys do follow us, and don't forget to like us, give us a thumbs up, because we'll be doing these sessions daily from Monday to Friday. So I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, because we've already been trading on it and we have already earned some profit coming out of the market, guys. Okay, so you guys could see we are entering the trades near 2546, and I've already been readjusting our stop losses near 2547, so you guys could have been securing your profits. So if you guys have been late on our live streaming sessions, unfortunately the only thing that you guys could do is you need to follow us so that you guys don't miss out on the next trading signal. And if you guys think, okay, I want right now free trading signals, where can I get it? So you guys could definitely right now check out our home profile, click on that link, so you guys could get that free trading signals right now. It's on our channel, and you guys could join it for free without paying any money, guys. Okay, so don't miss out on it, because maybe there could be some good trading opportunity coming up from our channel. So make sure that you guys check out our home profile, click on that link. Okay, so what has been happening since then? Gold market has been going higher, silver prices has been going higher, and we have already made profit coming up from the gold market, silver market, and probably we could be making some money on the Bitcoin trade, because we've already been trading Bitcoin. We also been trading US stock market. So everything has been going on track with our few. Gold, silver could be going higher as well, guys. Okay, so if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, make sure that you guys check our profile, check our bio, and click on that link, guys. Okay, for now, maybe let us take a look what has been happening on the silver side, because silver market hasn't been doing very well. But overall, we have already seen that silver prices has been broken down of its critical support area multiple times, breaking down $33, $32, $31, and everything is heading lower and lower. That's why we have already been giving guys that sell signal. So what exchange do you use? Right now we use our own broker account. So we are a brokerage company, and we use our own account at YCHpro, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys, if you guys want to open a trading account, Forex account, you could also check out our link and contact that you guys want to open an account with us, guys. Okay, because you guys could get more exclusive services on that side. So make sure that you guys, if you guys want to open an account, you could also open it with us, but it's up to you guys. But I highly recommend that you guys do that, because you guys could get much more exclusive services as well. Alright, so overall, we are seeing that silver prices has been broken down multiple critical support area, and we have already been recommending a lot of sells on the silver market. But right now, on the short term momentum, we are likely to get some rebound, so that's why we are doing this short term trade on both gold and silver. And right now we have already been securing around 15 pips out of the trades, which has been very well, because market movement on silver is quite low in terms of the pips, but in terms of the profit it's quite big. And we have also been trading on the gold market quite well. No, that is silver, and this is the gold chart, and we have already been making money on the gold chart, silver chart, and here you go. So this is our trades. We have already been doing it for quite some times. I believe that most of you guys have been late. But if you guys are late and you guys say you want to get more signals right now, you could definitely check out our profile right now, guys. And you could be trading on it later on, okay? Because on that channel, we will be sharing free trading signals and it will be outside of our live streaming sessions as well. So you could get a lot of free trading signals there, okay? So make sure that you guys check out our channel just by checking our profile, checking our bio, and click on that link, guys, okay? So what else, guys? Okay, it seems that gold market movement started to slow down, and expected that it was the same thing happening on the silver side. Maybe it was due to the reasonings that we are looking at the slightly possibility that the US dollar index started to slow down as well, guys. Okay, so the slowdown of the US dollar could really impact the market, okay? But overall, everything has been going well and our trade has been running well. But maybe if you guys have already been profiting out of it, I highly recommend that you guys could take some profits and let the rest run on its own, and enter the staggered stop losses. So whenever you hit the stop losses, you have already secured your stop losses as well, guys, okay? Alright, so what's next on the market? We have already been entering the gold trade, we have already been entering the silver trade. Maybe if you guys have been late, maybe you guys could still enter the trade on the Bitcoin market that hasn't been far away, because we have just entered the trade at around 91,100 and it's still not far away, guys, okay? So we've already been sharing multiple signals on the Bitcoin market, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it, because I'm looking at the possibility that Bitcoin market could be hitting 100,000 soon, guys, okay? So make sure that you guys keep on your trades on Bitcoin market and don't miss out on any gains that the market could be offering you guys, okay? Alright, so far we have already been entering trade, and right now if you guys buy per one Bitcoin, we have already been getting a profit of around $350, okay? So it's not a big amount, but definitely it means something if you guys have been trading a lot, and definitely in Bitcoin market it's a huge market movement, guys, okay? So make sure that you guys, if you have been late, you can definitely still enter the trade, still put the same stop losses, so it's a bit higher risk, but it could still offer you that big reward. We expected that Bitcoin prices could be hitting at least 95,000, 96,000, nearing our possible price target of the bull flag scenario at 97,000, 98,000, guys, okay? So that's what I'm seeing on the market right now, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on that opportunity, guys, okay? So though on USD market movement started to slow down and you guys could still enter on this trade, I'm still pretty much bullish, forming these healthy consolidations after breaking out too fast, and right now could be a good entry point as well, guys, okay? Too fast, and right now could be a good entry. My live streaming session should be ending soon in another 15 minutes, so if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, definitely you guys could check out our home profile, click on that link so that you guys could get more free trading signals, because in another 15 minutes there will be another trader who will be continuing my live streaming sessions. His name is Jaden, and he's more into smart money concepts, fair value gaps, and liquidation. So if you guys are much more into that kind of style, definitely you guys should check out what Jaden could offer you guys, okay? Because I'm more into swing trading, position trading, and looking at the overall trend. So definitely you guys could check out our live streaming sessions after my site. So after my sessions, there will be another trader who will be continuing my live streaming sessions, guys. Okay. So for now, my overall view on the gold market is still sell, but we are doing this trade on the short term and we have already been able to secure around 900 pips for tonight. So unfortunately, I'm sharing the signals usually quite early on the trades, and if you guys have been late, what you guys can do is two things. One, you could like our live streaming sessions and follow us so that you guys don't miss out on the next trading opportunity together with us. And the second thing, if you want free trading signals right now, one of the things that you could have done is you could check out the profile, click on that link so you could join our free trading channel, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys do that and you guys could get free trading signals. And definitely you guys, if you have been benefiting from our live streaming sessions where we have already been discussing market analysis, market outlook, and you guys feel that it has been helpful. Yes, this is one messy chart. Yes, that's right, because there's a lot of support area during our live streaming sessions. We have already been covering a lot of things, but overall you get the point, guys. Okay, but definitely we have already been doing this live streaming sessions for quite some time, and that's why there's a lot of the support line, resistance line. But overall you get the point. We have already been making money quite much since last week, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on the next trading opportunities, because you never know when the market could be offering you guys some profit money. Okay, so for now, definitely if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, you could check out the profile, click on that link, and you guys could be getting those signals outside of our live streaming sessions. And we have already been recommending gold signals, silver signal, Bitcoin, and also the US stock market. So I think we have already covered a lot of things because we've already been doing these live streaming sessions for 1 hour, guys. So I'll be going through it with you guys again. So I know that most of you guys are new to our live streaming sessions, but overall you get the idea. So let me start to give you guys a little bit of review on the gold chart. So gold market has been going through critical support area where it has been broken down of this support area multiple times. 2600, 2700 broken down, 2500 is also reaching its lower side. So I'm expected that gold prices could be heading lower again, guys. Okay, and my view on that market has still been pretty clear. We are likely to see market movement to go lower and lower. But on the short run, I'm looking at this market movement has been quite fast, and I'm expecting a little rebound. And it has been going through on our plan because we are already buying at 2544, 2546. And right now we have already been securing our profit at 2555 at around 900 pips. But I'm still letting positions run on its own. Some have been taking profits. But definitely if you guys has just joined us, I believe that you guys have been late. Overall, we can still wait here and put a sell signal around 2565, 2570, and I'll be expected that market price could be going down lower on the gold price. Silver is also the same thing. I already expected that silver prices, gold price on the long run could have been going lower, and I'm also seeing that possibility happening as well. So in a moment, I'll be letting you guys see it. But if you guys wanted to get more free trading signals that you guys could execute the trades right now, you could definitely check out our home profile, click on that link so you guys could get more free trading signals on there, guys. Okay, hello Wasi, nice to see you, man. How about XRT? What is that? I've never heard of that before, guys. Okay, maybe you can explain it, Wasi. What is XRT? And maybe I can take a look on it later on. Okay, so on silver price pattern, we have already been saying the same thing. It has been already breaking down multiple support at $33, $32, and right now $31. So afterwards, $30 has been quite a good strong support, and we have started to see some small rebound after a huge drop down last night. So that's why I've also been recommending a buy signal on silver for tonight. and we have already been occurring around 15 pips since the last time we're talking about it, and right now it's still the same around 15 pips, but I believe that we have already missed that good entry opportunity around $29.70, 85 cents. So we're entering the trades at $29.85, and we have already been achieving this profit target as well. Okay, so we have also been talking about Bitcoin market, guys, together with you guys. So Bitcoin market has been doing very well, and we are looking at the possibility that Bitcoin market could be going higher and higher. So if you guys think what we have been sharing has been a lot, and if you guys think you have already been missing out too much, make sure that you guys do follow us, and remember that you guys should check out our home profile and click on that link so you guys could join our free trading signal channel. It's not going to cost you anything, and you guys could immediately join and get live trading signals on that channel, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys don't forget to check that out if you guys wanted to get execution trade signals right now. Okay, so if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful, we have already been sharing a lot of signals, a lot of market analysis across different market assets. Definitely you guys could give us your thumbs up, give us your likes. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much if you guys have been giving us your support, and I hope that you guys do love our videos because we have already been doing it, and your support means a lot, knowing that you guys love what we have been sharing with you guys together. And share this video with your friends and family if you guys think that this kind of market analysis, market outlook, and definitely the trading signals could be helpful for them, guys. Okay, so sharing is caring, so why don't share it with your friends and family, guys? Okay, all right, so we have already been sharing the signals on multiple assets: gold, silver, Bitcoin. What else? Maybe we have already been sharing as well on the US stock market, so maybe I'll be giving you guys a little bit of the outlook what we have been sharing on the US stock market in a moment, guys. But overall, I know that most of you guys are still pretty much interested on the Bitcoin market because Bitcoin market has been going up very fast, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on it. So definitely right now you guys could still enter at the current prices. If I know it's a bit higher than the entry prices that we have been recommended, and it's because most of you guys are late, but no worries, you guys could still follow us in the next days. So make sure that you guys follow us, so whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, you guys will be notified, and you guys could get a lot of trading signals for free. And if you guys wanted to get executable trade signals right now, you guys should be checking our home profile, our bio, and click on that link, guys. Okay, so you guys could get that free trading signals right now. All right. So this is our signal on the US stock market. So this is primarily talking through the US 100, the Nasdaq stock index. And I'm looking at good chances that the consolidation has been over, and we are likely to see good chances that it could be rebounding after here, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you guys the price ranges so that you guys could enter the trade. And definitely don't miss out on this because we have already made the initial profit at the first target at the 6th of November. And we could be seeing the same market reactions afterwards. Okay, so that's why if you guys don't want to miss out on it, definitely you guys could be following us so that you guys don't miss out on our trading signals, because we also cover across different market assets from stock markets, gold, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, guys. And I hope that you guys don't miss out on this signal because this signal is still fresh. You guys could still follow that signal and still put the same risk reward ratio with us together, guys. Okay, So thank you very much for your likes, for your comments and your support, guys, because I'm very appreciative of it, knowing that you guys love what we have been sharing, and we are doing these live sessions daily, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, and if you have been following us, you will be notified whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let us go back to our main event. So in another 4 minutes, I'll be switching over to our next trader who will be continuing our live streaming sessions for tonight. So I'll be recapping what has been happening on our trades for tonight, guys. Okay, so for tonight, we have already been making some big profits on our trade from the gold market, definitely one of it. So we have already been trading on the gold market for quite some time for tonight, and we have already been entering the trades near 2,546, and currently price target is at around 2,555. Overall, we have already been making around 900 pips of profit, and unfortunately, if you guys have been just following us, we are sharing these signals pretty early on the market because sometimes market movement could be early, and that's why we are trying to enter at a better price ranges. So if you guys don't miss out on it, make sure that you guys follow us so you guys don't miss out whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions, guys. Okay, and we are also not just sharing the gold signals for tonight, we are also sharing on the silver signal as well, guys. Okay, silver signal has been doing quite well. It's just showing a little bit of slower profits, so we have already been entering at $21.85, and we have already been achieving our first profit target at $30. So we have already been achieving around 15 pips for tonight. So congrats for everyone that's been following us since our live streaming session started, and I believe that most of you guys should have been making some profit out of the gold trade, out of the silver trade, and everything has been going on well. And if you guys have made money and you guys think our analysis has been helpful, please give us your likes, give us your thumbs up, so we know that you guys love our live streaming sessions, and this live streaming sessions has been helpful for you guys. Okay, and the third thing that we are sharing for you guys tonight has been the Bitcoin market as well. So Bitcoin market has been doing very well, and we have already made multiple profits out of trades. So that's why I'm really recommending it again at higher prices. I said it's a bit risky, but you guys could still enter it and put a very reasonable stop losses at around 87,750. So if any other big market movement that are kicking you out of the positions couldn't hit you easily, so I'm giving you guys a bit bigger stop losses. But overall, market movement on the Bitcoin market is still very clear. It's still going higher and higher, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on this market movement, because we are likely to see that Bitcoin market could be hitting 100,000, guys. Okay, so make sure that you guys stay tuned and don't miss out on this Bitcoin signal, guys. Okay, so if you guys think, if you have already been missing out and you guys wanted to get more free trading signals, one of the things that you could have done is check out our home profile, our bio, and click on that link, so you guys could get our free trading signals by joining our channel, and it's all for free, guys. Okay, so you could check that out. And maybe if you guys think what we have been sharing has been helpful, and I know that usually traders could be getting some opinions from other traders, definitely you guys could share this video with your friends and family who has been trading for quite some times. So our signals on the US30 has been working well. I won't be touching it, and I'll be letting it run on its own. And we also do cover around the US 100 for tonight. It's still running on its own. I won't also be touching about it, and I'll be letting it run on its own as well. So I think that's the conclusions for our signals that we have been sharing. Overall, we are still making a profit out of trades for tonight, and I hope that you guys has been also been able to make those profit target as well, because tonight we have already been making quite significant profits out of our trades. And even right now on the current prices, at the highest price, we have already made around 1,000 pips as well. So definitely, if you guys wanted to get more of these signals, don't worry. We'll be sharing this live every day with you guys together from Monday to Friday. So make sure that you guys don't forget to stay tuned, because we'll be having another trader who will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions. His name is Jaden, and he will be talking more on the smart money concepts and looking at the overall time frame so that you guys could enter the trades right now. Especially, we'll be having a US PPI data tonight, so make sure that you guys don't miss out on it and trade together with us, because Jaden will be doing the live trading sessions with you guys as well. Okay, so I hope that you guys have been enjoying our live streaming sessions, and make sure that you guys, if you guys are just new to our live streaming sessions, don't forget to follow us so that you guys could get notified whenever we are doing our live streaming sessions. And on our live streaming sessions, we are sharing multiple signals on multiple trading assets, so I hope that you guys don't miss out on it the next time, and we could be making money together as well. Alright, so in a moment we will be having the next trader. So if you guys have any other questions that you guys wanted to ask, you can let me know right now. So I'll be switching off to Jaden, who will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions with you guys. Okay, alright, so for now, seems everything has been going well on our trades for most of the trading assets, and I'm not that worried, guys. Okay, so it seems my time is up, and I'll be switching towards the next trader for tonight. His name is Jaden. Make sure that you guys stay tuned and get more insights from him, guys. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, and definitely if you guys wanted to get more signals, check out our home profile and click on that link, guys. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day of the week, and I'll be trading together with you guys. Okay, so I hope to see you there tomorrow. See you.
Yes. Hey, so good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our live streaming session. So, what is really going on? Okay, so right away, let's talk about the market. Okay, so let's talk about market right away. So yesterday we have been facing through the US CPI. Today the market will be mainly focusing on the US PPI. So currently we'll be having two datas, one CPI, another one is PPI. So right now, what is going on? Yesterday, if you still remember, we have been giving out one of our best signal on the time on the CPI data. What we have been saying, if you still remember, we have been saying that what price has moved. Okay, we need to know the mechanism. How does the market move? Okay, mostly by demand and supply. And right now, we also talking about the price reaching through this liquidity area 1716, and after that what happened, the price has been continue going lower. Okay, so we need to know what's the mechanism to push the price higher or lower, so that you know that when is the price is going lower and going higher. Okay. Okay, so right away, why we have been talking about doing long, even though a lot of people has been dumping my long positions, and a lot of people thinking that it's probably going short, but we need to know how does the price is going short. Okay, so you need to know there's always a winner and a loser in trading. Okay, there's always winner and loser. Okay, so so who usually be the winner? Okay, so this is a really cruel world. Okay, so usually the winners is with the biggest money. Okay, with a lot of money. Why? Because a lot of money is really has a if you have a lot of money, that's a really big factor to pushing the price higher or lower. Okay, do you think that the price is pushing higher because our retail traders? Not really. Usually is on the hedge funds or the big institutions. So we need to know the big money is going on. So yesterday we already mentioned that why we need to, if the price need to go lower, the price need to go higher first, grabbing above liquidity area. So we already mentioned before, the price is going back, grabbing this liquidations. There's highly chances that the grabbing liquidations, after that the price has been dropping. How much? We can see that the price has been dropping around 700 pips. So we can see that, as I already mentioned, this week is the most important week. Why? Because this week is what we call the uh I mean the what we call the straight the trending markets. So you can see that we have been lining out and giving you clues about what is going on. So after that, you will be knowing that I'm actually giving you a really good informations. Okay, so informations is really important, and I have been giving you free and giving you what's my sites and so on. So if you do really enjoy our live streaming, please give us a like and subscribe, and so that you can watch it every day. Okay, so remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so remember we have been giving out the tips and tricks, and also lining out the liquidity area, and also but the market is reaching to, so the line is not that great. Okay, so maybe need to put bigger from this point onwards. Okay, so yeah, something like this. Okay, so we need to know what is happening on the markets and so on. Okay, so I'll be giving you tips and tricks, and I'm also giving you one of my best indicator that I'm using is what we call volume profile. Okay, let me explain again what is volume profile. Volume profile is actually giving you signs, know that where is the area is the most volume. Okay, so what does it mean, most volume? Most volume means that that place, that area will be a lot of people buying and selling. So at the same price, the price will be a lot of buying and selling. For example, right here, a lot of people will be buying and selling. After that will be hot. Going back to imbalance. Once the imbalance has been formed, usually the price need to rebalancing back. After that, the price will be continue going lower and so on and so on. So you need to know what's the mechanism to push higher and lower, okay, and where does the market, how does the institution do their positions. So for example, if their positions has been doing right here, doing shots, or maybe doing shots from here, do you think that the price will be going back to this place? Okay, not really. Okay, so usually the price will be continue going lower and lower and reaching through a new low. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Hopefully, you do learn something new, and also hopefully that you can really enjoy my lessons. Okay, so yesterday we have been giving out that the price is going lower, reaching through these liquidations, and then the price has been going lower, and right now, okay. So where does the price is going? Okay, so this is the major questions and $1 million questions. What does the price going on? But let me adjust my uh, writing first, okay? Because this is I'm drawing on 4 hour time frame. I remember, but the line it's not that great. Okay, maybe closing out from here, changing this one, and then this, take out here. Okay, let me adjust everything first. Okay, and putting right here. Okay, and buy side liquidity should be fine. Better gap. Okay, and the price order block. I think this one might need to cancel it out because this is 50 minutes order block if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, this is 50 minutes. Yeah, let's make it bigger. Okay, something like this. Shit. Okay, wait a moment, everyone. Let me adjust it, and then later on, talk about the market. Okay. Mm-hmm. Shit. Maybe need to cancel it down, but I don't really like it. But I think there's no any choice. I will be canceling out this one. Uh, yeah, no choice. Need to cancel out. Okay, make it more stable. Small time frame is a bit hard to draw out, but never mind. Okay, so we're balancing the efficiency. We back on the order block. Okay, oh shit. Let me adjust it. Okay, okay, it should be stabilized. Okay, price reaching to the block. Let's make it the price reaching to this area. Okay, yeah, things should be fine right now. Okay, so this is all the block area for our range, wrapping out and closing on the lower sides. How much time do you usually use for trading? Okay, this is a really good question. How much do you usually do trading? To be honest, I am a swing trader, much more a swing trader. Okay, previously I was changing back today, but after that I really think that swing trader is much more my style. So I usually previously I usually will be trading on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, that kind of situations. So after that, I have been changing my style is much more trading on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday because that time my winning rate is quite high. So uh, I usually just trade on maybe London sections on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I'll be holding a really quite while. And then after that, let's see how the price reacts and so on. So I usually will be doing trading on mostly on Tuesday, Wednesday, and I will be holding around maybe Thursday to Friday, that kind of situations. Okay, so not much trading opportunity to be honest, but I know how does the price react on some sort. Okay, so right away. Okay, so this is my overall my analysis. So you can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity going low, rebalancing out, rebalancing to the rebalancing efficiency, breaking structure, going back to the order block, and then the price has been going lower and lower. And you can see that 50-minute time frame, you can see we have been giving out this trading opportunity as well. Okay, so we have been giving out this opportunity as well. So you can see why we have been giving out, because we can see that this is the what we call the buy side. I mean, this is what we call the buy side liquidity. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this buy side liquidity. Okay, so you can see that this is what we call the buy side liquidity. So once the price has been shit, okay, once the price has been showing and going back to this buy side liquidity, you can see that the price will be going lower, manipulations, displacement. Okay, so what does this thing means? Okay, so what's the logic behind of this? Okay, so as I usually say, this is the point of control. So what is point of control? Point of control means that here a lot of people will be buying and selling. Okay, it's balancing out. So there's a lot of people buying stocks, buying gold, and then selling gold at the same time. So you can see that the balancing the price is reaching through. So meaning by that is this area is the most volume area. Okay, so once the price has been most volume area, what we'll be doing usually market the big markets, the hedge funds usually will be tricking you guys to go up. Because why? Because they want to grab your liquidity. Okay, liquidity is really important in the financial markets, because if there's no liquidity, there's no I think there's no price movement. Okay, so volatility is really important. So once the price has been grabbing it and breaking through, meaning by that is they are really grabbing all the liquidity and dropping down. So meaning by that is the price is not likely to go back to this area. Why? The big institutions and the everyone has been using that kind of liquidity dropping down. So it's not really likely that the price will be going back. So this is what we call the oh shit. We might need to put upwards, but this is okay, should be fine, I guess. Okay, okay, yeah, should be fine. So you can see that the price has been reaching through what we call the buy side liquidity. Once the price has been reaching through this buy side liquidity, what we can see, the price manipulations, displacement, and then the price has been continued going lower. Okay, and then lower, 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 lower. And where does the price going to? Go back to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has been reaching through our second sell side liquidity. Meaning by that is that the price has been slowing down because there's a lot of volume around this area. So once the price has been a lot of volume, the price will be slowing down. So what will be happen from this area? The market will be considered to grab a liquidity again. So where's the liquidity? Hoping that it's around here. As we already mentioned yesterday, we have been telling you guys that the price will be going higher first, because we can see that the price has been going low, rejections forming back to this order block. Okay, so you can see that this is the order block area. Let's see, is it 4-hour or 1-hour area? You can see that the price has been forming this order block area. Okay, order block area from the 4-hour area, and we likely need to see the price to go lower. Okay, but what is happening? The price didn't go lower and exactly going back to this area. So we can see that it's actually showing signs that the price is disrespecting on this movement. Okay, the price is disrespecting on this movement. So what will happen? That means that the price is usually need to go higher and grab higher liquidity area. So where do we expect it on? So we expect that the price is reaching and grabbing this liquidity area. So you can see that this is the area that we are going to show. Okay, so you can see that we have been showing that liquidity area, the price has been reaching through, and where is it going to? Okay, the price has been going back, reaching through. It's same as well. See, you can see this is the point of control. price has been going out. Meaning by that is that a lot of hedge funds or big institutions has been grabbing all the liquidity on here, and this is what we call the news manipulations. Okay, CPI is most likely manipulate, or I can say that every news is much more on manipulations. Okay, so once the manipulation is happening, rebalancing, then there's no any reasons that the price will be going higher. To be honest, okay, not likely. Okay, not 100%, but most likely. Okay, so you can see that the price has been rebalancing out and reaching back to our fair value gap, and the price has been going lower. Okay, so right now you'll be asking me, okay, what is happening right now from the gold market? So I will be showing you guys my indicator. Okay, not my indicator, but what I'm favorite using my indicator. So let me show you what I've been using. Okay, so let's see. Shit, wait a moment. I think might be some problem. So maybe. Okay, so going back. So this is the gold market. Okay, so this is gold market and this is trading view. Okay, so as I already mentioned, the price usually will be going liquidity by liquidity. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is a daily time frame. So what we can see right now is that the price has been reaching through this high and grabbing on the low liquidity area. So where do we need to use on the volume profile? It's from here, okay, starting point, because this is the starting trend and then the price is rebalancing down. So we'll be using a fixed range indicator. So okay, fixed range indicator will be pressing here and here. Hold. So what we can see right here, okay? So we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity, rebalancing back from here, and then has been grabbing where the liquidity, the lowest range. So where is it? Here. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this low liquidity area. So it means that the price has been rebalancing down from this area. So what we can see that this is what we call a supporting area. So we're putting out, reaching out. So you can see that it usually will be happening and reacting on the 50%. So let's see, is it true? 50%. So it's probably right here. So yeah, I think it's probably right here. Yep, 50%. So you can see the price has been forming some kind of support and has been slowing down. Okay, so you can see that this is the overall the uptrend. What is really going on? So you can see that the price has been going higher. This is the imbalance ranging again, going higher, imbalance ranging, rebalancing this efficiency, and then continue going higher. So right now, what we what is happening right now is that the market has been rebalancing back to this liquidity area. So meaning by that is that in short period of time, this might be some kind of support, or this might be some kind of a rebalancing area. So we can see this is the area that you need to be aware of, and also this is a 50%. So usually this kind of situation is that the price might be usually going back to this area and then rebalancing back to this ranging area. Okay, so the price should be forming some kind of balance range. So where is it the balance range going to? Should be around this area. So around this area. Okay, so the balance range should be around this area. So we might likely to see some kind of ranging area in a short period of time. So going by that, let's go back to the 1 hour range. So let's see on the 1 hour range. So going back to the 1 hour range, okay, so 1 hour range, what we can see that the price is reaching through this area. So next, I'll be using a sections. Sections is much more details and it will be giving you what is happening in sections, daily sections. So showing signs. So this is the daily sections volume. So what we can see is that the price is ranging here, going down. This is a balancing area, and then the price, it's really low liquidity area. So following by that, I'm likely to see some kind of balancing range. So meaning by that, there's a highly chances that the price will be rebalancing back to where? Rebalancing back to this area, grabbing back to this liquidity, or maybe even here. So in a short period of time, I'm thinking that most probably the price will be balancing out this liquidity. So where's the liquidity area? The first will be here. Okay, you can see this is the imbalance. So this is a second fair value. So this also has a chance that the price will be reaching through this fair value and so on. Okay, so this is what our thoughts about it. Okay, you can see that the range, the volume area, okay, and then price has been grabbing here, reaching to this. So we might see some kind of signs that the price might be ranging back and going back towards upwards. Okay, so this is one of the facts. We need to use the bigger time frame and see what is going on the bigger time frame first. So as we already mentioned, we'll be using a daily time frame and see how does the price react from here to here. Okay, so if we use this like here, we can see that the price is actually reaching through this liquidity area. So you can see the price has been reaching through this liquidity. So it's probably giving us some signs that the price might be rebalancing back. But if you want to have more details about it, you can use fix. Fix is much more details that I really like to use. Going back, going here. So meaning by that is market is rebalancing back to this liquidity area. Okay, so probably we can see some kind of signs that the price might be ranging back or maybe going back some kind of rebalancing phase. So if we wanted to do that, we need to go back to a smaller time frame and see how does the price react. Okay, so going back to the smaller time frame and let's see how does the price react. Okay, smaller time frame will be probably using 1 hour time frame. So what is going on? 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price didn't really show us uptrend, but right away we can see some kind of disrespecting. Okay, what does it mean by that? We can see that the price has been disrespecting on this area. Okay, so you can see that this is the fair value gap. If the price wanted to go lower, the price need to here, reaching to here, rebalancing back to this area, and then after that, what will happen? The price will be continue going lower and lower. But right away, we can see that the price has been disrespecting on. So this is one of the signs that has a bit higher percentage that the price is going higher, but the trend is not that clear yet. So you can see that currently the market has been reaching back and rebalancing back to this fair value gap area, what we call a fair value gap area. Okay, so you can see that this is what we call a fair value gap. Let's put it here. Okay, okay, something like this. Okay, so we might see some kind of retrenchment right away, but not much right now. But I'm seeing that the price will be likely to going back. So if we do really want to trade, we might need to use 5 minute and see how the price react. So yeah, I'm thinking that this is actually showing some signs that the price is going higher. Okay, so you can see that the price has been disrespecting on this fair value gap. The price has been going manipulations, and right now it's seeing some kind of displacement. So maybe we need to see the price to break through this area. To be honest, if the price do really break through, I'm thinking that it's most likely that the price is going higher and reaching back towards upwards liquidity area. But right now, I'm not thinking a really good trading opportunities for the gold market because it's Thursday. So probably the price is likely to rebalancing back to the upwards. Okay, so I'm thinking that the price will be rebalancing to the upwards. So we need to see the bigger time frame and see the price how it reacts. Okay, so the main reason behind of it, you need to know what caused the market trend slowing down. Okay, so this is one of the factors. Okay, a lot of people didn't really think about it from this area. Okay, so what is the reasons and how does the reasons that causing the downtrend momentum slowing down? Okay, the one of the one of the problem and one of the major reasons behind of it is a lot of volume. Okay, so we can see that there's a lot of volume and rebalancing back. So we can see that the price is slowing down. Okay, so for example, like this, you can see that the price is reaching through this liquidity pole. Because why? Because this area have a lot of volume. Okay, a lot of volume, meaning that if they want to push the price lower, they usually need to grab a lot of liquidity first and then going lower. Okay, so right away we can see that this is also the same, a lot of liquidity, a lot of liquidity, and so on. So right away you need to know what's the reasons to cause the trend is slowing down, volatility, volume. Okay, we need to see how does the volume react, and volume is actually reacting on how does the market going up and going down. Okay, so this is how does the market move. Okay, not typically uh, those kind indicators and so on. You need to know what's the reason slowing down and where does the price getting and grabbing this liquidity area. Okay, so right away we already mentioned that the price is buy side liquidity and the price has been reaching lower, and right now it's showing some kind signs of rebalancing out. Why? Because this is a lot of volume. Okay, so there's a lot of volume right here, so I'm expecting that the price might need to go up and rebalancing back. Only then the price will be going lower. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about. And today, I'm thinking this week the market has been dropping around 1,000, 1,400 pips. So it's already out of the ranging area. So right now, I'm thinking it's most likely the price will be going back to upwards. So you can see the price has been rebalancing. Well, this is actually a quite good one. So you can see that the manipulations, displacement, rebalancing down to this efficiency, and maybe the price might be reaching back towards upwards. Yeah, you can see that it's likely to see the price is going back to upwards. Okay, so later on 9:30, let's see the PVI, but I'm thinking that it's mostly not really a big volatility. But if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe, and we are sharing you the latest insights, how to do trading, as free educations, and so on. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember, we do live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you want to join our Signal group as well, we also have it on our uh, bio sections. Okay, so if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Remember to like it, share it to your friends. Okay, okay. So right now, I'll be talking about my second favorite uh, pairing. That is silver markets. Okay, silver market is one of my favorites. So you can see I also have been doing analysis as well, buy side liquidity or order block area. So you can see that we have been also doing analysis as well. Share, the words has been slightly changed because the market has been dropping. I don't really like this one. Maybe in the future might need to change to the what we call the trading view. It's because much more stable and the wording will be staying stabilized. Okay, so you can see, oh shit, the buy side liquidity. Okay, okay, boom boom on the block, reaching back here, reaching back, and here, and reaching back. Okay, so this is what is exactly happening on the silver market. Okay, so on this movement, okay, on this movement on the downside, first we need to know what is happening on the bigger picture. Okay, bigger time frame is a really important factor. Okay, so let's see about this is not auto block, but this is FBG. But later I will be changing back. It's okay. Okay, later I will be changing back to FBG. Okay, this is fair value gap. Okay, so you know, oh, okay, should be fine. Okay, So right away, we need to know the bigger time frame. So I won't be showing this in bigger time frame because if I show bigger time frame, it's really complicated. So I'll be using another charts and giving you sights of how do I think the markets. Okay, so this is another chart. So this is much more cleaner than the previous one. So I'll be deleting all the things first. Okay. Okay, so everything we need to focusing on the bigger time frame. Okay, so what is happening on the bigger time frame? Okay, so on the bigger time frame, we can see that the price is actually reaching through the monthly high. So not monthly high, the monthly order block area. So you can see that it's around this area, the up move before down move. So we are probably seeing some kind of resistant area. Okay, so you can see the price has been reaching through this or the block area and the price has been coming down and then respecting on going on the lower sides. Okay, other than that, from the near terms, we also can see that why I'm thinking silver is going lower. Okay, the first reason is that the price didn't staying above using a monthly candlestick perspective. You can see that the price didn't displays above. Okay, meaning by that is that the price is actually staying below. So it's most likely that the price is going lower. Okay, so because this is a day monthly time frame, so we'll be going back to the daily. So from the monthly perspective, what informations can we get? Okay, from the monthly perspective, we can get that the price is from here onwards. Okay, the price from here onwards, the price has been reaching through higher. Okay, so you can see, okay, it's much more cleaner. So you can see that the price has been reaching through, rebalancing out, manipulations, and finally grab this liquidity. Okay, so this job has been done. So this uptrend job has been done, and we are likely to see some kind of what? The price will be rebalancing down. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we also can see that the price has been forming a much more details. You can see that the price is also disrespecting on didn't displacement above. So you can see that didn't displacement above. So we are likely to see some kind of downtrend momentum. Okay, going back to the daily time frame, what we can see is that price is reaching lower, rebalancing out to our order block area. So we can see is our order block area 50%. So you can see the price has been reaching through this 50%. The price has been continue going lower. And what happening right here? Rebalancing out and then continue going on, rebalancing out and then continue going lower. So this is what I'm thinking that the market is going lower and lower and will be reaching through where the monthly low. So this week I'm actually expecting that the price will be reaching through this monthly low, and this is also why one of the reasons why that we have been giving out one of our signals tomorrow yesterday that we are doing shorts. So we can see that the price has been dropping on the monthly low. So from this point onwards, because the price is grabbing from the monthly perspective, so we are expecting that the price is much more likely to going much more lower, to be honest. So I'm thinking that the market might be reaching through even lower to this area. Okay, so there's a lot of downward momentum right away. Okay, so because of that, because this is the monthly liquidity area, so we'll be using the daily. So you can see that the price has been showing signs going lower and going rebalancing out, and the price has been reaching back towards downwards. Okay, so where does the price is reacting on? Probably will be reacting from this order block area. So you can see that we still have a downside momentum. But right now we can see that the price has been reaching through this volume, getting this liquidity area. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing out. And then afterwards, the price will be going on the lower sides. Okay, from the monthly perspective. So I expect that the price is much more likely going much more lower, to be honest. Okay, so right now we can see that the price has been reaching through and we are likely to see some kind of area from this point onwards. Okay, so we are likely to see that the price will be reaching through this order block area. Okay, so right away we can see that the price has been grabbing here, going daily, the price has been reaching through, going here and reaching back to the daily range. Price has been grabbing here, this liquidity area, rebalancing out, going back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that the market has been rebalancing out from here and then reaching through, going here and then continue going lower, same as well, and continue and so on. So you can see that this is how I do analysis. Using a bigger time frame is really important. So from this on point onwards, you can see that we have been giving out really good informations. The price has been reaching through this daily order block, reaching back, rebalancing out. Okay, this 4 hour range. Okay, so once the price has been reaching through 4 hour range, grabbing low, grabbing high, and then the price has been grabbing to the low, reaching through this imbalance, and then going back to the order block. And today, this week, this is the manipulations. Meaning by that is once the market has been forming this manipulations and going lower, okay, the price rebalancing out. This is why I have been turning out and giving out from this area, and then after that the price has been rebalancing out, and then the price has been continue going lower at new low. So right away we can see that the price has been going a new low. But right now, we are expecting that the price might be reaching through some rebalancing. So right away, let's see on the liquidity area. Okay, so let's see on the liquidity area and see what informations that we can get from. Okay, so this is the zero markets, and let's see how the price react from this. So from this, we'll be using fix, and creating here. I'll probably will be using this to this. Okay, so you can see it's about the same. The price has been going up and has been rebalancing down to this area. So we are likely to see some kind of retracement right away. We might see some kind of retracement because we can see that the price has been grabbing this liquidity and going back to the lower sides. So once we can see that the price has been grabbing this lower liquidity area, we can most likely to see some kind of retracement to the upwards. Okay, so might be going back to this area, rebalancing out to this mean price. Okay, so right away we also can expect the price to reacting on the um, the price actions. Okay, so we are likely to see some kind of reactions that the price might be retracement back towards this area. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm thinking that silver and gold probably will be going higher in a short period of time. So you can see the price we have been giving out some of the signal as well. Okay, you can see that the price has been reaching through this fair value gap, and we are expecting that price will be going higher and reaching through this area. So you can see it's likely to reach through this area. Okay, so going back right now, let's go to our dollar index. Dollar index is one of the most important factors, and we also have been doing top-down analysis with that. We already mentioned that the price is most likely to go higher and higher and reaching through where we'll be reaching through this fair value gap. So once the price has been reaching through fair value gap, I think it's most likely will be slowing down because this is the second week. The price has already reached through 300, 3,000 pips. So I'm thinking that it's much more likely to slowing down in the higher volume. And then after that, the price will be slowing down and be reaching on the lower sides. Okay. But right away, I'm thinking that the market will be going back to this fair value gap. So you can see this is the monthly fair value gap. The price usually will be forming some kind of rebalancing down. So once the price has been forming this fair value gap, then I'm thinking that the market will be rebalancing back those kind of efficiency area. Okay, so you can see that the price has been reaching through, and where is it? The price is going to, it's around here. Okay, so we can see that the price is likely to reach through where will be here. So the price has been reaching back and going higher. So I'm thinking that this is also point of control. So meaning by that there's a lot of liquidity area. We are likely to see some kind of rebalancing down. So what we can expecting that the market will be rebalancing back to some kind of area. So I'm thinking that we are most likely to see dollar index to go back to the lower sides from this, and is likely to give some momentum to the gold market. So the gold market is likely to go higher. Silver market is also the same. And apart from that, the Euro USD, GB USD, other pairings will be also going back to so some kind of retracement area as well. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We have been giving out really good signals, really good free educations, and really teaching you guys what's the theory behind of the market. Usually will be volume. If we know volume, where is it? We definitely have a really good edge from apart from that. Okay, you can see that the top traders usually will be using volume. Okay, even though SMC ICT is it's also a good thing, but most likely it's much more volume, volatility, liquidity area. So okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we do live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And we have been providing a lot of information. Okay, we have been providing how to do tradings, live trading sessions, and so on. If you do really like our content, you can also go to our bio sections, and we'll be also giving out free signals as well if you do really like it. Okay, so give us a like, subscribe, and follow us if you do really enjoy our content. Okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday till Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., and giving you the latest informations. Okay, so right away we can see that the order block rebalancing, rebalancing this, going back, rebalance down, rebalancing this, and then the price has been going down, rebalancing it, going down, rebalancing it, going down. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing right away. Okay, so this is what we have been teaching you, the gold market, the silver markets, and so on. And this week we also have been giving out one of our best signals is the crude oil market. Crude oil, we have been saying that the price is going lower first. Where is it? Okay, the monthly low. So how the is the price has been reaching to the monthly low. So this is my expectations that the price will be reaching to, but the price has been reaching some kind of rebalancing back. So we can see that there's a lot of liquidity. So we are likely to see some rebalancing back to where? To this area. So I'm thinking that market is probably will be rebalancing back to this area. So right away we can expect going back, reaching to one out range. So we can see that the price has been rebalancing out, grabbing this liquidity and rebalancing out. And where is it going to? Going back to the daily fair value gap area from this. Okay. We also have been giving you top-down analysis from the crude oil perspective, and we already mentioned that crude oil is much more likely to go low. It's much more likely to go lower. So what we can see is that the price has been going here, reaching back, rebalancing out, and the price is likely to go back to this liquidity area. Need to go back to this liquidity area. Even though that the market is even though that the market is showing signs of going higher from this point onwards, this point onwards, I think that this is the negative price. Okay, that time, okay, 2020, the price has been going down and then rebalancing out, grabbing this liquidity, rebalancing to this, and then this is the liquidity area. So it's likely to see some kind of ranging, and the price has been grabbing this liquidity area. Okay, so you can see the price has been grabbing this liquidity area to this liquidity area. Price has been reaching that, reaching low. So we are likely to see. I was thinking that the price might be reaching through this low first, and then after that will be going high, grabbing this liquidity. But seems like if I'm thinking that there's a chances that the price has been reaching through here, And then after that, the price has been showing signs of going higher, but the price need to go lower first to grab the last liquidity area. So I'm thinking there's a chances that the crude oil might be going back towards upwards and reaching through this on this on this. So in the next couple of days, we can try to focusing on doing long on the gold markets. I mean crude oil. Okay, so you can see this is a really strong manipulations displacement above. So we are likely to see some kind of rebalancing down. Crude oil will be reaching back and going back to this rebalancing area, ranging area as well. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Your support is one of our key to continue to do on. Okay, so give us your support, like, follow, give us subscribes, and give us your support so that we can continue to do this kind of content and we'll be continue giving you the latest insights on how do we analyzing on the markets. Okay, so right now we can see that the market has been reaching through, grabbing this liquidity. So we might see some kind of signs that the price will be retracement. But let's see. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. I mean, this is what Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Oh, okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, Wednesday has been forming the lowest. The price has been reaching through this high. So yeah, I'm thinking likely that the market is going on the higher sides. So we can try to do a long positions, but we need to see some kind of retracement first. Give it a 4 hour range, 50 minutes. Okay, we might need to see some kind of retracement, but I'm more likely to do long right now, to be honest, because I'm thinking there's a chances that the price might be rebalancing here, here, or maybe even here. So in the next couple of days, I might be doing long on the crude oil. Okay, so crude oil is long positions. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And remember to give us your support so that we can continue to share you the latest insights and also the latest informations. Give us your like, subscribe, and follow, and we'll be continue sharing you the latest informations. Okay, so remember to give us your like and subscribe. Okay, so right now I'm thinking that the market has been rebalancing down from this 4 hour range. So the price might be going back towards some kind of rebalancing. I'll be using this as a chance to do a long positions. So yeah, I'm thinking that we can try to use this as our long positions. Probably will be using 50 minutes. So where does the price react? Most likely will be here. I will be using this as my ranging area. The price need to go below 50%. The best ideal place that I really likely to see is that the price reaching through this 50%. Then I might need to do long positions afterwards. Okay, but not right here because the market might be doing some kind of retracement, and then price has been retracement. Afterwards, the price will be going higher sides. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we can continue to sharing you the latest insights and also the latest informations. So remember to give us your likes and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe. Okay, so remember if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember, if you do really like our content and our information as well, you can also go join our signal group on the bio sections. Okay, we also have our signal group on our bio sections. So if you do really like us, can try to go on and try to enter as well. Okay, so right away, right now, I'm thinking that the market is actually rebalancing. So you can see that the price has been reaching through this rebalancing area. So it's likely to see some kind of retrenchment afterwards. But in the longer time frame, I'm thinking that there's a chances the price has been ready to go higher and reaching through this equal high. Okay, but yeah, most likely we can see some kind of going higher phase reaching here, or maybe even much more higher. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting on. We can try to do long on the crude oil, but if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and also remember to. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, and also we'll be doing live streaming every day, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to give us your supports. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and join our signal group in the bio sections. So remember, as we already mentioned, the price has been grabbing here. Now we can see that the flow is reaching back towards upwards. So I'm thinking that the price might be retracement back, and we'll be using this liquidity area to join to do a long positions afterwards. Okay, stock indexes probably is going higher. Bitcoin. Okay, so right now let's talk about the cryptocurrencies as the BTC USD. Okay, Bitcoin, there's a few things that we need to be aware of. Okay, so what do we need to be aware of? Okay, so we can't see any information for the monthly, weekly, so we are probably need to use on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, what we can see. Okay, from the daily time frame, what we can see that the price has been giving us some signs that the upwards momentum has been weakening. Okay, there's a chances. So we can see that the price has been closing here and then closing above, and the price has been weakening. Okay, so meaning by that is that the high pushing power has been slowing down. Okay, so you can see slowing down. So from this point onwards, this is the highest of the day. Then we can use the 1 hour range. So what is going on? So we can see that the price forming here, reaching back and going on the lower sides. So we can see that this is the most significant area that we need to be aware of. Is this the fair value gap area? Okay, so you can see that the price has been reacting from what we call the fair value gap area. So you can see the price has been reaching through, and what we can expect if today the price has been closing lower and breaking through this area and also this area as well. I'm thinking that if the price do really close below this previous low, okay, then we are likely to see some kind of retracement downwards on the cryptocurrency market. But nonetheless, I'm thinking that there's a highly chances Bitcoin will be continue going higher. But today, the price momentum has been weakening. as we already mentioned, we can't see any information from the monthly, we can't see any information from the weekly, but we can see some information from the daily candlesticks. So we can see that the daily candlestick, this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Okay, so you can see that, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So the price has been reaching through and then slowing down, continue going higher, but slowing down. So right now, we can see that the price has been closing below from this area. So we might see some kind of downtrend momentum. So what we can see is that the price is forming a market maker sell model. So if later on the price has been breaking through this area, then we are likely to see the prices going lower. Why? Okay, still remember that why that the price is going lower, because this is point of control. Okay, so you can see that this is a lot of volume and the price has been grabbing, rebalancing down. If the price breaking through, going back to the low, meaning by that is that a lot of liquidity has been dropping. So once this dropping back, and then after that, we'll be using this rebalancing, and then we can continue doing shorts, and the price will be continue going lower and maybe reaching through this lower sides. Okay, so we can see that the price has been showing signs that it's going lower, but the bad scenario is that we need to wait for confirmations. Right now, even though that the price has been verified this fair value gap from the 1 hour time frame, we need to see the price to react, going back and drop below this range. So if the price has been dropping below this range, we are likely to see some kind of going on the lower sides. Okay. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We will be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And also you can also join our Signal group as well on the bio sections. Okay. So let's see the gold market. Okay, the gold market, as I already mentioned, the price might be going higher because the price has been reaching through this fair value gap. So we are likely to see some kind of going higher. Silver market is also the same. We are probably going back towards upwards. Okay, so you can see that everything is going outside because dollar index has been going weakening. Oh yeah, the data has been announcing, but as I expect, not much a big movement. So let's see what's the data showing us. Okay, let's see. Hmm, seems like the PPI is higher than expectations, but not really affected much. Seems like the PPI is higher than expectations, but not really affect much. So let's see. The dollar index has been going higher, okay, because of data. So the price has been going higher. Let's see how the price react. Mm, I'm thinking most likely need to go lower first, grab this low liquidity. But let's see how it happens. Okay, price reaching chill, and thinking that the price might be continue going higher. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing this every day from Monday till Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So if you do really like our content, please join our Signal group in the bio sections if you do really enjoy it. Okay, so right now let's see how does the market going on, the crude oil market. I mean the cryptocurrency. So BTC USD is going ranging, is probably going lower, and let's see how the price react afterwards. And after that, the price New Zealand USD. Today I have been doing analysis on New Zealand USD. It's probably reaching through low, grabbing this liquidity first. And same USD CAD, I remember I do halfway, but nonetheless, USD CAD is a really good, really great product. So for example, right here, going back to the 4 hour time frame, once the price has been forming back to this, and the price has been continue breaking through on the higher sides. Was hoping that the price is going lower first to this, and then after that the price is going lower, but the price has been continue to going higher. Okay, right beyond that, the price has been reaching back to 800 pips. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and follow us so that we can continue to share you the most important informations and so on. Okay, so maybe this might cause some kind of resistance of the gold. But what's your thought about the gold market? Okay, if you think that the gold market is going higher, please press one. If you think that the gold is going lower, you can press two so that we can know what's your thought about it. So right now the price has been reaching back, lowering down. So the price has been reaching down, manipulations from here and then rebalancing, going back and rebalancing down, and we might see some kind of signs of going higher. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me tell give us a like and subscribe if you do really like our content. Okay, remember to like and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And we have been giving out our analysis that the crude oil might be dropping, but we are likely to see that the prices continue going higher. This is actually quite great. Okay, if you have any thoughts, cryptocurrency we have been giving out, as I already mentioned, we are probably seeing some kind of retrenchment. So if you think that the cryptocurrency is going lower, please press one if you have any thoughts about it. Okay. Okay, so right away we are thinking that the crude oil is going lower, the gold is going higher. I mean, the Bitcoin is going lower, the gold is probably going higher. Silver is also going higher, as we already mentioned. Everything is on our sides. And other than that, we also talk about crude oil is going higher, Bitcoin is going lower, reaching that. And if you do have anything that want me to analyze it, you can also let us know about it. Okay. Let's this JPY. Okay, the price has been reaching through this. Most likely will be reaching back to this high, to be honest. So going back to the daily time frame, boom, 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 displacement, then the price is likely to continue going higher. Hmm. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We have been giving out a lot of data, a lot of information. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay. Follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Join our signal group in the bio sections. So give us your like, give us your share, and help us to share out. Okay. Okay, so give us your thought about it. If you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, subscribe, and give us your like, and so on. Okay, so remember, follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And if you do really interested, you can also join our Signal group as well. Okay, so right now let's talk about uh the data. Okay, so we have been also preparing you. The most important thing is the fundamental sides. So hopefully you have been prepared. So right now we'll be talking about the fundamental sides. Okay, so this week, the market is mostly likely to focusing on the few data. One is that the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. The next is today, the PPI. Tomorrow is the last day of the trading day. It's on the retail sales. Okay. So what is really going on the US economy situations? Okay, from the past data, we can see that the US economy is going great. Okay, unemployment rate is remaining low. Okay, the retail sales is higher than expectations, and also the inflation rate has been remaining above 2% above. So right now we are likely to see that the economy situations will be predictable that the economy situations will be better and better in the future. Okay, why? Because US I mean Donald Trump has been elected on the 47th news the the US presidents. So we are likely to see that he mostly will be boosted their economic situations. So what has happened on the CPI data? Okay, so the inflation rate in October has been pretty much in line with the Wall Street expectations, around 2.6%, even though it's higher than last month, but it's actually meeting their expectations. Even though that the inflation has been going quite high, people has been raising their expectations and their odds, saying that Federal Reserve will be cutting their rates in the next meeting. So it's around December. A lot of people thinking that will be cutting rates in December. So, but I'm thinking that there's a likely chance will be slowing down because, as I already mentioned, the data has been going strong and the inflation has been remaining solid as well. So I'm probably thinking that the Federal Reserve will be slowing down. So this is also one of the effect that giving the dollar index going higher and higher in a short period of time. Okay. And other than that, we also can see that the shelter price has been continued major contributions to the CPI move. Meaning by that is that the shelter price, like housings, rental, and so on. So this is also one of the interesting questions. Federal Reserve have been saying that why that the shelter prices is so sticky, meaning that the inflation is not likely to going lower in short period of time. One of the major reasons is that uh, because the rent usually will be conducting with a contract. So the contract usually will be forming 6 months, 1 year, or maybe much more higher. So usually need to be after the contract sections, only that the price of the shelter price might be affected. So in a short period of time, you can see that the shelter prices has been solid above. Okay. Other than that, we also can see that the used vehicle cost has been also rising 2.7%. Airline fares has been jumping that to 3.9%, 3.2%, and egg double at egg inflation has been double 6.4%, but was still high on 30.4% higher from the last year ago. So from this point onwards, we can see that the inflation is much more likely to be sticky, and we can expecting that this might be affecting on the Federal Reserve their 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 how they control their monetary policies and so on. Okay. Next, we can see that the reading has been taking inflation further away from the Federal Reserve 2% goal and could complicate and will be complicate the central bank's monetary policies and strategy going forwards. As I already mentioned, this is likely to affecting on the monetary policies as we already see the inflation has been going strong, the unemployment rate has been remaining low, and the economic situation is going great. Plus, we can see that the president elected by Donald Trump will be planning to much more tariff and also government spending. So it's possible will be boosting the growth in the futures and also increasing inflation rate. So consequently, we can see and expecting that people is much more likely to slowing down the interest rate raise in the next couple of months in 2025. So in 2025, even the some of the Federal Reserve member has been saying that it's probably will be slowing down. Okay, so we can see and also expected that in the future the gold market will be continue going lower. The dollar index will be remaining solid on the higher sides. So you need to remember. So this is the CME watch tools I usually will be sharing you guys. So right now we can see that it's most likely to cut rates on 25 basis point in December, but I'm thinking that it's most likely will be changing in the future. So you might need to be aware of that. Okay, next will be the sector map. From the sector map perspective, we can see that the market is much more leaning to the uh, defensive defensive stocks. So you can see that the defensive, consumer defenses, Walmart, Costco, PGs, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, those kind of stocks has been remaining a solid growth. Amazon, Tesla, HDs, those kind of stocks is also remaining solid as well. So in a short period of time, we can expect it that the defensive stock is remaining solid and is likely to can try to do long positions if you do really like to. Okay, and lastly is the currency trade index. From the currency trade index, we can see that also can see some of the sentiment of the markets. Okay, what sentiment of the market that we can see on? We can see that dollar index has been going strong, the CAD pairings has been going strong. Okay, other than that, other pairings has been going weakening, but I'm not so sure what's the reasons behind of it, why CAD is going strong. But in the meantime, you can see that USD CAD is much more going a range area. Other than that, CHF, New Zealand, AUD, GB, Euro, those kind of pairings has been affected going on a slowing phase. So in the meantime, you can see that we are much likely to see the dollar index has been continue going stronger, and doing long on the dollar index is much more better rather than doing shorts on dollar index, because you can see that the dollar index is really strong. Okay, currency trade index is really important. It will giving you a clue about what is going on and how do you do a trading perspective. So for example, if I don't know how to determine bias, the direction of the day, you can use this currency trade index to see and determine can see and determine where the directions of the day. So for example, if I don't know how to determine the directions, I will be using this and I'll be trying to do shots on New Zealand USD. I can try to do shots on AUD USD. I can do shots on Euro USD, and I can do shots on GB USD and so on. So this will be giving you a clue about how do we do trading in a short period of time. Okay, so this is quite important that you need to be aware of. Okay, so right now, so crude oil. So remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And you can join our Signal group in the bio sections as well. So remember, if you do really like our content, please follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And join our Signal group at the bio sections. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, follow, and subscribe. And live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and join our Single group at the bio sections below. Okay, so going back, we can go to the crude oil section. So let's see the gold markets. So let's see about the gold market. Gold market has been reaching to this high as we expectations. Silver market has been continue going strength. and reaching back to this previously, getting back to the liquidity. Dollar index didn't really affect it much, to be honest. Let's see on the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin still ranging area, nothing much difference. But if we do see some signs, maybe we can see some signs of 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see the manipulations. We need to see a really strong displacement. If not, we might need to be much more cautious about it. Okay, so this is the fair value gap. The price has been reacting on, and we might see some kind of retracement afterwards. Okay, let's see. So we are probably seeing the prices going higher, reaching through this liquidity area as we already mentioned. Price through 1 minute charts. Ooh, the price do really reach through. Mhm. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and remember to join our live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday and 7 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. You can also join our signal group in the bio sessions. So remember, we have been giving out a really good trading setups today this week. We have been giving out guys about our thoughts about the markets. We already mentioned that the gold market might be retracing back towards upwards. The silver markets will be going back to also going back a retrenchment to the upwards. And also the other pairings such as the Bitcoin is facing a major resistance area, maybe reaching back to the low sides and grabbing a lower liquidity area. Okay, so from this point onwards, we have been giving a really good signs and really good directions. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe, and join our live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And also remember to join our signal group in the bio sections if you do really like our content about it. So remember to like and subscribe, and also join our signal group on the bio sessions if you do really like it. Okay, okay. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe, everyone. Follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so remember that we'll be doing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and also join our signal group in the bio sessions. Okay, so right away, we can already mention that the dollar index is much more likely to go lower. Okay, why? Because the price has been reaching through a major volume area, so it's likely to rebalancing down. So I'm thinking that the market might be rebalancing back to the lower sides, and we can see some kind of signs that the price might be going lower. So if the price do really break through this area, I'm thinking that the price might be going on the lower sides. The gold market, okay, the gold market, as we already expect, if you have been joining our live streaming just now, and we already mentioned that the price will be going back towards upwards, okay, at least to this area, okay. The silver market is also the same as well. We already mentioned that the price is going back to the higher sides, And other than that, we also can see other pairings such as the Bitcoin. I'm thinking that a lot of people will be thinking about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is also going back to the lower sides. So we can see why. Okay, why Bitcoin is going lower. Okay, as I already mentioned before, we can't see any information from the monthly. We can't see any information from the weekly. So going back to the daily time frame, we can see that the market has been reaching through the range. You can see that the price has been going this range. So meaning by that is that the upwards momentum has been weakening down. So we are likely to see some kind of retrenchment down. There's a possibility that the price might be going retrenchment down and reaching port on the lower sides, or probably that the price might be continue going a range area. There's a high chances. So from this point onwards, we can go back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that the price has been verified this or the block. I mean the fair value gap area. So right now, there's a chances that the price might be going lower, but been going higher liquidity area. What if the price do really break through and grab all this liquidity, all this volume, then we are likely to see the prices continue lower and reaching a much more low here or even much more lower to here. So if you do really like our content, please remember to like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe and follow us. Okay, follow, like, and subscribe live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time, and also join our Signal group in our bio sessions if you do really like it. Okay, so right away we can see that the price is going on the higher sides. So right away we can expect crude oil. Okay, crude oil, we already mentioned that the price is likely to go back to the higher sides. So if you do want it, we can wait for the price to retrench. This might need to take some time because the price has been reaching to this liquidity area. So we are likely to see the price react and then afterwards will be going higher. Okay, same goes to the gold and silver markets. So gold market might be probably going higher and reaching through this liquidity area. And then after that, the price might be reaching back towards low area. Silver, Euro USD, AUD New Zealand USD, and let's see, is there any pairing else? New Zealand USD, we already giving out, seeing that the price is going lower, so it's much more on the lower sides. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, your support is one of our motivations. So if you do really like it, follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Join our Signal group in the bio sections if you do really like it. Okay. Okay, so remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Join our Signal group in the bio sections if you do really like our content. Okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. So if you have any question left, please leave your comment section below. If not, we might need to end our live streaming session soon enough. So if you do really like our content, please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and give us your supports. Okay, Just now we have been giving you guys about how does the market move. We have been sharing you guys how to use the volume indicators and so on. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. So Bitcoin might be going on the lower sides. If that really happens, we might can try to do long afterwards in the lower sides. Okay. So remember to follow, like, and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe, and live streaming Monday to Friday. If you have any question left, you can leave your comment in the comment section below. And then after that, I will be happily answer your questions. Anything you want to know about it. What coin, Dogecoin, and so on. I remember yesterday people asking me about Dogecoin. So let's see how the Dogecoin market has been going. Yep, continue going higher. As I already mentioned, the price has been continue going higher. Okay, probably is going higher. Okay, let's see on the gold market. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. Remember, we will. Okay, so right now, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. If not, we'll be ending our live streaming soon. Okay, so I'll be giving out another 2 minutes. So if you do have any questions, please do remember to ask. If not, we'll be ending our live streaming sessions. Okay, so follow, like, and subscribe. Live streaming Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Singapore time. Okay, so thank you for everyone joining, and I hopefully I can see you by tomorrow. Okay, thank you and see you next time.